Happy Juneteenth, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's the summertime, my friends, and it's strawberry season. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a refreshing strawberry pie with fresh strawberries. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of strawberry flavor. And the best part about this dessert, no oven required. Everybody's going to fall in love with this pie. Perfect for your summer barbecues and your Juneteenth celebration. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pie recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Peach Pie. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your pie crust, your strawberry gelatin, and your fresh strawberry sugar, because we're about to make some strawberry pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 pounds of fresh strawberries that I sliced and I rinsed them. So now we're going to set them aside while we work on our strawberry glaze. In my saucepan, I got the fire over high heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of water. Whoa, it's super hot. And we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is going to be our thickening agent. And 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Going to give this a quick stir. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, our water mixture has came to a boil. So now I'm going to cut the fire down to medium-low. Going to let this cook until it thickens. Alright, my friends, our sugar glaze is nice and thick. See? That looks great. So now I removed it off the fire. So now there's 2 more ingredients we're going to add to it. 1 3-ounce package of strawberry jello. And to give it an extra strawberry boost, going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. And stir these in until it's well combined. Love the smell of strawberry. And look at this beautiful red color. Isn't that gorgeous? So now I'm going to pour my strawberries into the strawberry glaze. I'm just going to stir the strawberries in until they're coated in that luscious strawberry glaze. Nothing like the smell of fresh strawberries. Alrighty, my friends, our strawberries is complete. We're ready to pour into the pie crust. We're going to pour it in the baked 9-inch pie shell. And this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated or frozen deep dish pie crust. And you want to get all that strawberry glaze. So now I'm going to spread my strawberries evenly. Make it look pretty. So all we do now is pop it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill overnight. Alrighty, I see you tomorrow. Alright, my friends, it's the next day and our pie is nice and firm. Now it's time for the final step. Over here in my piping bag, I put some whipped cream. This is my homemade whipped cream recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And I have a 1M star piping tip. So all we do now, just pipe it all around. Like so. And one more thing we got to add to it. A fresh sliced strawberry. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh strawberry pie. That does look delicious. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Ooh, the strawberries is juicy. Love that strawberry jello filling. OMG. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. I'm in strawberry heaven. Yum-o. Strawberry pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, stay safe, and happy Juneteenth.